Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix a game that is not launching after a Windows update. Before we begin, make sure the game is completely closed. First, update your graphics driver. Windows updates can sometimes replace or reset your GPU driver, which may stop games from launching properly. Visit the official NVIDIA or AMD website, download the latest driver for your graphics card, install it, and then restart your computer. If the game still does not open, run the program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Open the Settings app, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. Find the program Compatibility Troubleshooter and click Run. Select your game and follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will check for compatibility problems and apply the recommended fixes. If the issue continues, verify the game files. Open your game launcher, such as Steam, Epic Games, or the Xbox app. Go to your game library, right-click the game, open Properties, then go to the Installed Files section and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files, or a similar option available in your launcher. The launcher will scan your game and replace any missing or damaged files automatically. Once you have completed all these steps, restart your PC and launch the game again. Thanks for watching.